Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of air fryers, but with a twist. We're focusing on the best options for those of you who are health conscious and budget conscious. That's right, we're tackling the top 5 air fryers under $50 in 2024. Number 1, Chefman Small Air Fryer, 3.6 QT. Kicking things off, we have the Chefman Small Air Fryer. This 3.6-quart beast boasts user-friendly dials for temperature and time control, making it super easy to operate. It also comes with a handy cookbook for recipe inspiration. While I haven't personally used this model, reviewers love the spacious capacity, perfect for families or those who like to cook in batches. However, some mention the dials can feel a bit cheap, so keep that in mind. Number 2, Dashasta Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven, 2.6 QT. Next up, the Dashasta Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven. This compact 2.6-quart option is ideal for small kitchens or apartments. Its sleek aqua color adds a pop to your countertop, and the simple analog dials make it a breeze to use. I have this one at home, and I love it for reheating leftovers or whipping up crispy fries. It's not the biggest, so it's best for singles or couples. Number 3, Chefman 2QT Mini Air Fryer. Rounding out the Chefman duo is the 2QT Mini Air Fryer. This digital option features a sleek design with a shake reminder, a great feature to ensure evenly cooked food. It also comes with a handy recipe app. While I haven't tested this specific model, the digital controls and app integration are a step up from the previous Chefman option, though the capacity is smaller. Number 4, Instant Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer comes from the makers of the beloved Instant Pot. This little guy boasts over 100 in-app recipes and promises to crisp, reheat, bake, and roast. The dishwasher-safe basket is a plus, and the Instant Pot brand recognition gives it some weight. However, it's on the pricier end of our sub-$50 range, so be sure you value the app integration and brand name before pulling the trigger. Number 5, Cuisinart Mini Air Fryer 2.1 QT. Last but not least, the Cuisinart Mini Air Fryer. This 2.1-quart option offers a user-friendly design with a sticker featuring cooking reference guides. It also includes 30 in-app recipes. While I haven't used this model myself, the app integration and cooking reference guide sticker are nice touches, especially for air fryer newbies.